Good day world and welcome back to Stuff We Do, where we do all the knife stuff you love. Knife reviews, knife tests, knife modifications and outdoor stuff with knives. Today we are looking at the Kizer Sway back. Okay, this little knife. I must say it's the first knife that I've ever bought that my wife actually showed an interest in, and she even said she likes this. So I suppose it must be because it was designed by a girl. Okay, it comes in the normal classic, well, it looks like an olden day swayback, hence the name. Beautiful Wharncliffe shape, very functional, thin, slices like a monster. It is made out of N690, and this is red micarta, although it does look almost exactly like G10. Okay, this is a super fidgety little knife. Okay, the button lock works fantastically, and you can flip it up and down the whole day. Sorry, I'm under the camera. But a very, very fidgety little knife. A very useful knife. The jumping over here is not aggressive, or you can hardly feel it, but it gives you enough traction because this knife excels at doing cuts like this. Also, if you want to bear down and cut something like that, it will also work fantastically. The grip feels great in any direction. I really love this little thing. Okay. Here's the specs on this one. Okay, red micarta, N690, 2.99 inches. Yeah, made in China. Comes in the standard Kizer Vanguard series box, where we get this little envelope looking thing with a little cloth and a bit of Kizer paperwork if you want to read through that. Okay, and then it was in there, inside the box, very nicely set up. I love this thing for a little EDC knife. Let me quickly get something to compare it to. Okay, I'm back. Here is my little Civivi Appalachian Drifter. Okay, the normal double D10 one. They are exactly the same size. So I've carried this thing for EDC knife for how long? So, okay, the red, of course, you can see it's bigger, but these two are fantastic EDC size knives. Now, what makes the little Kizer so nice? It's not just for girls. It was designed by swags from Sharp and Pointy swags. There we see swags with a little heart and her signature. This was her first knife that she designed. Okay, when buying these, you have to be careful because you get them in a lot of varieties. You get the red G10, you get this red micarta, which looks like G10. You get ones with thumb studs and flippers. You get this one with only the flipper. And then you get, I don't know if it's because it's green, but you get a green one, a purple one, but the green one is a liner lock. So that one does not have a button lock. So please check and be sure that you're buying the one that you want. Okay, if you want the one with the thumb studs and the flipper, make sure you get that one. And if you want something else, yeah. Like I said, a very nice little gentlemanly carry. Although it looks quite aggressive with this stabby stab point, but light fidget monster. This is really a nice little everyday carry knife. And I think that's pretty much what I wanted to say about that one. While I have you, I got two new knives today. Both concepts. They just arrived. And I will be doing reviews on these two very soon. This one, I have a feeling that I'm gonna love it a lot. And then let me quickly show you the other one. I tend to like big knives and then the small little ones that you can easily fit in your pocket. Yeah, some not obtrusive knives. But every now and again I see something that just looks super cool. Okay, so we will be checking out these bad boys at a later stage, but I'm pretty sure my next review I'm going to do is going to be about this thing. I've been carrying this for a while now. Okay, like I said, Kizer and their different micartas. Look at this one. Oh, it's already looking so nice. Okay, anyway, we weren't actually talking about all of these. We were talking about the little sway bag. Okay, modern traditional. Well, this is modern traditional to the max. Because look at this thing. It looks like something that should be traditional, but it's got all the modern accoutrements. Snappy, nice, light. This is a wonderful little knife. Okay, let's just quickly see. Blade length is about 7.5 centimeters, overall 18 centimeters. Blade length, they say 2.99. I'm pretty much sure it's 3. And then 7 overall. And then we just need to see how heavy this thing is. What's that say? 71 grams, which on my chart tells me that it is less than 3 ounces. Okay, stay safe, happy, and have a good one. Goodbye.